Today we are going to talk about guava fruit. Crunchy and mildly sweet, guava is a versatile fruit you can never get enough of. It is the best fruit for controlling your hormonal imbalances. Diabetic and heart-friendly patients can easily enjoy this nutrient-packed fruit. So let's check some of the health benefits and nutritional facts of the fruit that you may never have been known. Number 1. Helps in weight loss. Did you know guava alone can make up to 12 to 20% of your daily fiber intake? In addition, with diabetic friendly, it also aids in your weight loss. As we know, fiber takes a long to digest and it keeps you full for a longer duration of time, prevents you from binging towards the fattening foods. So, number 2 is it facilitates smooth digestion. Guava is rich in manganese. So, the function of manganese is to absorb the best key nutrients from the food that we eat. Eating food alone is not just enough. Our body needs to employ the way to extract the foods best suited for our body. Means आपण जे काही जेवण घेतो त्यामधले जे काही घटक असन महत्त्वाचे न्यूट्रिएंट्स असन तर आपल्या बॉडीसाठी जे गरजेचे आहे मॅग्नीज फक्त तेच ॲब्झॉर्ब करण्यासाठी मदत करतो. Number 3 is blood sugar levels. Now, as it is high in fiber, it does not allow to sudden surge in your blood sugar level. Number 4, it manages your high blood pressures or blood pressure problems. Now, as it is abundant in potassium, potassium always helps to relieve the strokes, kidney and the heart disorders, your stress, anxiety, etc. So, it also balances the water and the food electrolytes. Eating guava alone is also good, but you can better try this yummy nutritional guava smoothie which increases the nutritional value of guava. Hope this video will be beneficial. Do like, comment and subscribe the channel if you haven't did yet.